Hey, this is Cammy Bean. I am a senior solutions consultant with Kineo. I'm the author of The Accidental Instructional Designer. I have never been to Learning Technologies in London, and I'm so excited. I have been in the business, the L&D business, for 30 years or so. I worked for a UK company for 15 years. I go to many US conferences, but I have not been to Learning Technologies. I am so excited. I've been hearing about it for years. It's the premier event in London. It's an amazing expo. It's an amazing conference session, really deep learning and connection, and I cannot wait. Thank you for having me as part of it, and I'm so excited to be there. So, L&D profession, navigating changes over the next 25 years. Putting some context, so I started in the L&D business in 1996. That was 28 years ago. There have been a lot of changes in that time. We didn't even call it e-learning back when I got started. The LMS didn't exist. SCORM didn't exist. We have been navigating changes for all of these years. They will continue. We got this, guys. Nothing ever stays static in our profession. Maybe the fact that people learn and that we are human beings, but all the other trappings around it have changed so much. We got this. Having never been to Learning Technologies, I have no standout memories to share, but what I'm excited about is creating them this year with all of you. I am looking to create some standout memories. It's going to be exceptional, really exciting, full of growth and change and learning, and we get to do it together.